Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Accessible Computing, a new world of accessibility. SEO is one of the most crucial part in the website development. Those who are doing this website development as a professional, they need to know how to do at least basic SEO. In basic SEO, we have meta title, meta description, keyword research. But the problem is, it is very challenging, especially for persons with print disabilities, to understand what to write and how you can do the keyword research. Okay, in this video, we will be talking about an AI tool that will help you to do all of these tasks in just few clicks. And the best part is, it is absolutely free. I am Ratul this side from Accessible Computing. Let's explore the tool. Click the link given in the video description box below and it will take you to this page.
All AI apps catering to every need and amplifying daily life. Prier.
Now here you need to move by heading 2.
Main landmark writing heading general heading level 2. Social media heading level 2. Marketing heading SEO heading level 2.
Okay, SEO means SEO, search engine optimization. Under search engine optimization, you have some tools. Let's explore one by one. I'm pressing down arrow.
Link SEO.
Again.
Keyword Research Strategies Generator.
Again.
Visited link Keyword Research Strategies Generator.
So, first we will explore the Keyword Research Strategy Generator. It will help you to generate the keywords for your blog post, website, or your article. Hit enter here.
Keyword Research Strategies Generator. Free tool. Banner.
Now press E until you hear
Search edit on the main landmark topic preview edit.
Topic preview. Press enter here.
Main landmark topic preview edit.
Let's say I'm searching for best coffee shop.
Best. Cough.
In.
Shop. In.
My city name is Kolkata, so I'm searching for. Okay, then I'm pressing tab once.
Kolkata. Generate button.
Click on generate button. Let's wait for a few minutes. Now I'm using down arrow to check whether the results are appear here or not.
Link button. Try premium for preview button. Clickable list with 5 items. Long tail keywords.
Yes.
Long tail keywords are specific phrases that target a niche audience. For example, best coffee shop in Kolkata for freelancers or best coffee shop in Kolkata with free Wi-Fi. These keywords help you reach a more targeted audience and improve your chances of ranking higher in search results. Location-based keywords. Since you are targeting the city of Kolkata, it is essential to include location-based keywords in your SEO strategy. For example, best coffee shop in Kolkata, top coffee shop near Park Street, Kolkata, or best coffee shop in South Kolkata. These keywords help search engines understand your location relevance and improve your visibility in.
I think you now got the idea. Let's explore the next tool. I'm going back.
All AI apps catering.
Now I'm here.
Visited link Keyword Research Strategies Generator.
Below this, I'm pressing down arrow again.
Keywords Extractor.
Keywords Extractor.
Visited link Keywords Extractor.
Let's click here to export it.
Free keyword extractor. Best keyword extraction tool.
Again, I'm using E.
Search edit on the main landmark E.G. Introducing our sleek and stylish hair straightener designed to effortlessly transform main landmark E.G.
Okay, so here you need to enter a paragraph. You can enter up to
out of edit 0/2000.
2000. So 2000 characters. You can enter up to 2000 characters. So let's enter something.
Free E.G.
I have pasted this.
E.G. Introducing our sleek and stylish and emotional transformations. It's about.
I'm pressing tab.
Generate button.
Click on generate. Let's wait for a few seconds. Again, I'm checking the results by using the same
link button. Try preview button. Clickable list with 5 items. Weight loss.
See.
Multifaceted journey. Balanced diet. Regular physical activity. Sustainable weight loss.
So you can easily extract the keywords by giving a paragraph of your article. Okay, so this is the another tool. Now next tool we will explore. I'm going back.
All AI. Clickable main landmark keywords generator.
then keywords generator.
Visited link keywords generator.
So now here you can generate keywords. Before we can extract keywords, now we can generate keywords. This will really help you. Hit enter.
Free keyword gen.
Now I'm pressing E.
Click search edit on the main landmark E dot edit on the main landmark E dot G. Hairdresser edit required.
Okay, so here you can enter the
0/
keyword or the
E dot G main.
topic. So let's say again I'm typing another keyword. So let's say I am typing
Numlock 10
ways to make money online.
Make money. INO space 28/100.
Okay, then
Button generate.
click on generate. Now I'm using downloader to check it again.
Link button. Try preview button. Clickable list with 10 items. Online money making methods. Earning money online. Ways to make money on the internet. Online income opportunities. Making money through online platforms. Internet-based income options. Online business ideas for earning money. Profitable online ventures. Generating income through online channels.
Okay, so these are some keywords which you can get easily.
All AI.
Now I'm going back again. Let's see.
Main landmark free meta description generator.
Free meta description generator.
Link free meta description.
Hit enter here.
Free AI meta description generator. No. Click up. Search edit unavailable.
So see.
Main landmark E.G. Finbricks. Personal finance for smart spending and increased savings. Edit 0/100 E.G. Main land.
So here I'm typing share market tips.
Market. Tip.
Mutual
Mutual. ATUM space. Mutual.
fund tutorial. Okay. So let's click on
Tutorial. Generate button.
generate. Let's see what is the result.
Link button. Try preview. But clickable. Get expert share market tips and a comprehensive mutual fund tutorial to help you make informed
Okay.
investment decisions. Start your journey to financial success now. Button. But click get expert share market tips and a
So this is a meta description. So this is you can use if you have a share market website or share market related posts. So you can use. So you need to type exact what you want in that edit box. Then only you will get the right meta description for you. Going back.
All AI. Main landmark SEO meta title generator.
Next, meta title generator.
Visited link SEO meta title generator.
Click here.
SEO meta title generator. Banner landmark visited link graphic visit.
Now I am using E again.
Search and edit unavailable. Main landmark E.G. Long hair straightener. Wedding hairstyles edit required. Main.
Again you need to enter the keywords. So let's say here I'm trying another one. Let's say I'm typing facial.
O. L.
Then personal care.
Person. Care.
Then beauty products.
Beauty.
Okay, so let's click on
Ducks. Generate button.
generate button. See?
Link button. Preview button. Clickable. Revitalize your skin with facial personal care and beauty products. Button.
Okay, so this can be your meta title. These are the categories which are available under SEO or search engine optimization. This tool has multiple categories and under every category you can find multiple AI tools. If you want, you can explore on your own, or if you want, we can make videos for you. Just let me know into the comment section what you want. Okay, that's it for guys today. We will meet in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay subscribed, and stay happy. Bye bye.